Jumatatu mweri mirongo iri nemwe tukonga ni muthenya mwega muthenya tuhetwo ni mwathani ni matanya maitu ati ni mukirire oega na muri arathime ni yitagwo Michael Jenga ni tabarira ya Kimuri session ya Inooro TV jaba ya wira rushidi rwega
ni de mwega na ndi na huru turugire ithu twareka matuhuhu negative ona wakiri ava matoka murahe na noga tugonia ne hawa thoma
tareke tobe tuthi Uhuru Park
tuthi mora ndero kwenda super governor
Uhuru Park ri
uramenya super governor no
maundu mongite wega muno reke nguoni kuria Uhuru Park ni guhi how ni higo turona mundu gwitwo deputy governor ketuone okwetu guria kuhana
kanta una kesho nipe nguvu na uwezo kijana na akili za mzee daima niwe imara wasiniangushe naona sana kila siku ni zawadi toka Maulana so haja gani ushike kama mama majaribu ishaoya na ataka maadui zangu watashikana na zao jama siwaogopi na simama mama ya chama yao ya jae yendo pesa nasonga naye wanashangaa kuna stress na kuanga naye naishi county na kesi mahakamani au deni za majirani go fresh nde na ndani oh wanadamu kija kutafash naomba Mungu mtete maneno yao yazinyume idenfanye sugu wewe wakitrai kumtisha naomba nisitetemeke.
Ladies and gentlemen, citizens of Nairobi, I have the pleasure to present to you the Deputy Governor of Nairobi City County, Polycarp Igare Kamau.
Thank you and congratulations, His Excellency the Deputy Governor. I think we have come to the end of that solemn session, and before we go to the next session, we all stand for the national anthem.
Choir County. Ama tujiongoze wenyewe kwa kuimba pamoja. Tuimbe pamoja wananchi.
Mungu nguvu yetu ilete baraka kwetu, haki iwe ngao na mlinzi, na tukae na undugu, amani na uhuru, raha tupate na ustawi.
Yes. Tunaweza kuketi. Thank you.
Tafadhalini, the time now for the transfer of the instruments of power, symbols of authority, has come. Please. Tafadhali mpigilie makofi outgoing Governor Daktari Evans Kidero.
Haya, wapi nduru ya Sonko? Dr. Evans Kidero hand over power of tools kwa Mike Mbuvi Sonko. Governor wa Nairobi sasa ni Mike Mbuvi Sonko. Wapi nduru ya Sonko?
Ni washejiko. Siko kwa kanali tijuni korizo.
Wapatie nduru ya Sonko na Polycarp Igare.
Isimpo kama AEOU. Rudia maratoi AEOU. Kati chini za koringa cha impromptu. Subiri usitiri.
DJ Shikilia. Wananchi wa Nairobi, mumeshuhudia leo siku gavana wa Nairobi ni Sonko na deputy ni Polycarp Igathe. Wapi nduru yao? Haya, hivi sasa nitamwalika deputy governor Polycarp Igathe aweze kutupatia mawili matatu.
God is good, and all the time. That is his nature. Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, Your Excellency, the Deputy President, William Ruto, Your Excellency, the Governor of Nairobi, and my boss, Mike Mbuvi Sonko, Your Excellency, the former Deputy Governor of Nairobi, Evans Kidero, Your Excellency, the former Deputy Governor of Nairobi, John Amweke, all the distinguished Cabinet Secretaries gathered here today, distinguished Permanent Secretaries, distinguished leaders of the commissions of within our Constitution, dignitaries, Nairobians, all protocols observed. Good morning. Sasa ni wakati wa twende kazi. I have only 3 things to say and invite my governor, who will then invite the deputy president, who will then invite the president, and then tutaenda kazi. Number 1, Nairobians tunawashukuru. Kwa mapenzi yake Mwenyezi Mungu mumetupa usukani kama viongozi wa chama teule Jubilee hapa Nairobi. Asanteni sana, Mungu awabariki. Jambo la pili, we thank our families. Asante. The second thing, I want to sincerely thank. Haya, tumkaribishe women rep Shebesh. Asante. Ndugu zanguni, muniwie radhi, tumkaribishe Esther Passaris. Hii ni shida ya campaign. Muniwie radhi, poleni sana. Esther Passaris, karibu sana. I have to get out of campaign mode to government mode. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to acknowledge the role of family. Mike Mbuvi Sonko told me he lost his mother as a young man. And today, my boss, I want to assure you that Mzee Kivanguli is looking at you with pride and knowing that you have chosen a good deputy who will serve you with dedication. Since Mimi, I'm your deputy, you're going to be the boss. I will execute your orders as I have started to do. Rest assured, we shall not disappoint you, Nairobi. We shall not disappoint you, Your Excellency the President. We shall not disappoint you, Mr. Deputy President. I want to close by thanking the former Governor of Nairobi and his deputy. We have shown that politics can have hygiene. We had a competition based on issues. And I thank you for your presence here today. It celebrates the nationalist covenant which His Excellency Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta speaks about. That in our constitution, you can hand over power with dignity and with harmony. Asanteni kwa kuja. Lastly, Your Excellency the President and Deputy President, thank you for the work you have done. Thank you for choosing us. Thank you for giving us electricity, schools, Madaraka Express that has made Nairobi a city 5 hours from the beach. We will serve you and serve your party. I don't have any more to say because today is not my day. today is the day of the man you elected to be governor of Nairobi. And he invited me to take a leap of faith and told me, Igathe, come and let's fix Nairobi. Wacha kizungu mingi, I only want 5 things. Okay. I only want 5 things. Make Nairobi clean and bright. Make Nairobi livable and hospitable. Make Nairobi a place of jobs and prosperity. Make Nairobi safe and secure. And make Nairobi a place where young people, especially people watu wa chini, can find that they own their city. I want to assure you, my boss, Your Excellency Mike Mbuvi Sonko Kioko wa Kivanguli, I will serve you. I will make sure that dream is achieved. Mungu akubariki, and thank you for the honor. I am the luckiest person to have left private sector, freshwater lake, into politics, salty water lakes, but I assure you I'm still a fish. I'm swimming. And I have a lot of people who are teaching me how to swim. You, my boss, the Deputy President of this country, and the President of the Republic of Kenya, Nani kama mimi, Shosho umenibariki. My grandmother is here. She's been a freedom fighter. Shosho Mokami, you're here, please. I thank you. I now want to close. Asante. I now want to close and hand over to my governor. Please, Mr. Governor, asante kwa kunipiga pasi kidogo. Before you come, I've been told to ask the former governor to say a few comments and then invite you to come. Please, a big hand for Governor Kidero. Governor Kidero.
Asante sana Polycarp. When I started, I made the same mistakes, except I had no governor to call the former deputy governor. Your Excellency, our President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, our Deputy President William Ruto, the presiding judge, ambassadors, Governor Mike Mbuvi Sonko, and you can notice I have no problem calling you governor. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to begin by congratulating my friend Mike Mbuvi Sonko as the new governor of Nairobi City County, and I do this well aware as a Christian that is God who chooses leaders and installs governments and rules the realm of mankind according to his purpose. I wish to thank Nairobians for giving myself and Mweke this great responsibility, entrusting us with the affairs of the city as the first governor and deputy governor. After the promulgation of the new constitution that gave birth to the county governments, we are humbled by their trust in us. We are proud of having steered the greatest county in Kenya through this time of great change. We worked to implement the evolution while working to put the affairs of the city in order. May it suffice for me simply to say, thank you, Nairobi, and thank you, Nairobians. I'm thankful to everybody, the ambassadors that I worked with, the former city mayors. I can see Mr. Kahara there with Joe Akech. I want to thank all the leaders, the ministers, the PSS, and the many ambassadors we worked with. I'm eternally grateful to my family, especially my wife Susan, who's right here, my children, and the greater family who helped me during this time. Today, Nairobi has witnessed the hallmark of democracy, transfer of power from one freely elected governor to the next one, Mike Mbuvi Sonko. I committed to Nairobians that my administration would ensure the smoothest possible transition, and this is what we've been here to do. When I was elected as the first governor of Nairobi in March 2013, the list of challenges seemed endless. I walked into City Hall where workers had not been paid for a long time. Infrastructure was dilapidated. public transport was insufficient, and our signature health institution and education facilities were as well dilapidated. The staff were demoralized and largely serviced informal settlements, which account for 60% of where Nairobians stay. In addressing these concerns and many others pertaining to day-to-day management of the affairs of the city, as the first county administration, we first needed to put in place legislation that guided our work, and we used County Government Act, the Public Finance Management Act, Procurement Act, and others which we put in place. Yes, Governor Sonko, as you can see, as I said before, I have no problem calling you with governor because I recognize that today you're the governor of Nairobi. If there's one thing that nobody doubts, Governor Sonko, we both love this city. Me and you, like jealous lovers, fought, pushed, and often even called each other names in trying to prove our worth to the people of Nairobi. As I reflect, I can't but help wonder where I would be if we had worked much closer. Nairobi has chosen you, but that doesn't mean that I don't want the best for her. To this end, Governor, my one request to you is this: we have given Nairobi many gifts, and we are working on giving her significantly more. I'd request that you continue with some of the many projects that we started. I'm proud to say we ran a government and promoted a city with better inter-ethnic relations. And it's true to say that during my term we did not see as many demonstrations as we used to see, nor walls. There was no room for tribalism in my government, and there cannot be in Nairobi. We also embarked on ambitious plans, and Governor Sonko, one particular one I want to plead with you is the urban regeneration, the rebuilding of Ngara, Pangani, Fort Jesus, and those ones that we've already started. Governor, as President Abraham Lincoln once said, elections belong to the people. Elections belong to the people. It is their decision. What my team and I have done is there for everyone to see, and I know posterity will judge fairly as the first pioneers of devolution. It is my hope and prayer that these projects will be realized. However, it would not be fair for me to pretend that this job is a bed of roses. Actually, as I was walking and I saw the many hats and the many red, the red covered, I thought they were going to say, Kidero must go. The biggest challenge facing the vision we set out for the city county is adequate funding, as the CR formula did not take into account the unique nature of services and the corresponding financial requirements. This is something I fought passionately for, and I hope that we will now take over this fight. Without this change, your government will face tremendous challenges, as mine did, and Nairobi City administrators will not be able to deliver what is expected of them. The debt burden which I carried, and you'll continue with, can only be resolved by the national government acting as Nairobians do and paying for their services. And I hope the 73 billion will be paid during your time. As the old adage goes, there is no free lunch. There will be tough times, and there are those who will try to distract and discourage you. Only someone who has walked in your shoes knows where the shoe pinches. It is very easy to criticize from the outside. Let nobody discourage you. Remember these famous words of President Thomas Jefferson. It is not the critic who counts, not the man who points where the strong man stumbles, or where the doer of the deeds could have gone wrong. The credit belongs to the man who's actually in the arena, whose face is marred by dust and sweat and blood, who strives valiantly, who comes short again and again, because there's no effort without trying and shortcoming, but who does actually strive to do the deeds, who spends himself in a worthy cause, who at best knows in the end the triumph of the Most High, and who at worst, if he fails, at least fails while daring so greatly, so that his place shall never be with those cold and timid souls who neither know victory nor defeat. I conclude by urging all Nairobians that it is the responsibility of all of us to make sure that our wonderful city succeeds and that Kenya prospers. That must be our commitment as citizens. Always remember, I too want only the best for Nairobi, and I will continue to do what I can to ensure that Nairobi succeeds. My wife Susan says that she is glad to have me back from the other woman who is Nairobi. But know that I'm always available for consultation. If you need me, I take this time to wish all of you and your team the best of success as you play your role in our nation building. Thank you. God bless you. God bless Nairobi, and God bless Kenya. And now I have the pleasure to hand over to you the documents that I believe you will need as you manage Nairobi.
Without wasting time, I now want to invite the man who has been called the mannequin of those left behind in Kenya, the hummingbird of the city of Nairobi, who serves everybody without looking at class or tribe. The proof of something I once read on a track that says, Kumbe chips ni waru. Ladies and gentlemen, your hands together for my boss, my governor of the city of Nairobi, Mike Kuihitithio. Papa Sunday, well you ain't me
Haya, asante sana. Nairobi, Nairobi, Uhuru, Uhuru, Ruto, Ruto, Sonko, Sonko, Jubilee, Jubilee. Wacheni tuimbie Mungu kwa ras moja. Hakuna, hakuna, hakuna. Twasema, twasema, twasema. Ewe ni, wewe ni, wewe ni, asanteni sana. Haya, ningependa kwanza, sababu ya ile kazi mpya ambayo mumenipatia kupitia kwa kura zenu na mapenzi yake Mwenyezi Mungu, Mwache kwanza nipeane hotuba rasmi kwa lugha ya Kimombo, na ni hotuba fupi sana kwa sababu rais wetu mpendwa kuna mahali anaenda mazishi, atungependa kumweka sana. Your Excellency Honorable Uhuru Kenyatta, President and Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces of Kenya, Your Excellency the Deputy President Honorable William Ruto, Cabinet Secretaries, Principal Secretaries, outgoing Governor of Nairobi, His Excellency Dr. Evans Kidero, Deputy Governor Mweke, fellow elected leaders, members of the diplomatic corps, distinguished guests, and the great people of Nairobi, Amujambo. First, I wish to thank the Almighty God, my family, and the people of Nairobi for their support that culminated in the victory we celebrate today. I also take this opportunity to welcome you all to the city of Nairobi, and thank you for taking your time to be with us here on this auspicious occasion. Fellow Nairobians, today marks another day in the history of our great city, a city that was founded over 117 years ago. It has been a long journey to where we are today as a people. A journey made up of challenges, but more importantly, by victories and tremendous strides that we've made. From the small dukawalas that dotted our city a century ago, today we pride ourselves in one of the most developed cities in Africa and the world. However, this important day is not historic because of the victory we celebrate today. Today is historic because there is finally hope for the people of Nairobi. At independence, we started off well as a city. Well-maintained roads, beautiful public parks, walkways and lawns were the hallmark of Nairobi. Our streets and estates were clean. We had sufficient, affordable water supply for all our residents. Our health facilities had enough doctors, nurses, and other support staff, and they never ran out of medical supplies. Our schools were clean and sufficient for our children. We had enough and safe playgrounds for our children. Those who grew up in Nairobi then are living testimonies of the great city that was one that popularly began to be referred as the Green City in the Sun. Nairobi was always the ultimate destination for every investor and tourist from all parts of the world, being the only city in the world with a national park. Unfortunately, we can only remember that Nairobi with fond memories and sadness. We lost our great city and its future to corrupt cartels that embarked on an evil mission to rob its residents of basic services and amenities. Today, Nairobi is dirtier than it has ever been. Open sewers and mound of garbage have become common sights in almost every corner of the city. Acute water shortages have long become a way of life for many residents who have been left at the mercy of water cartels that make a kill from selling illegally acquired water to them. Large potholes and blocked drainage systems are today synonymous with Nairobi. understaffed health facilities that lack proper equipment and adequate medical supplies are what our residents have to put up with every day. It is completely unacceptable that today a mother or a newborn child has a higher chance of dying at birth in Nairobi than in Mandera. Criminal gangs operating under the city inspectorate have been terrorizing our residents and the business community. Impunity by the county public officers has become the hallmark of services delivery in Nairobi. Our traders have been harassed and abused by the same people mandated with protecting them and their businesses. I therefore stand before you today to declare that the old Nairobi has finally come to an end. Today, we join our hands to embark on a journey to fix a city that has badly been broken down to a cleaner, greener, healthier, wealthier city. Your Excellency, I wish to assure you of my administration's commitment to partner with the national government in ensuring proper provision of security, improvement of health facilities, education facilities, provision of clean water, slum upgrading, solid waste management, decongesting the city, infrastructure development, as well as environmental conservation, sewerage, and drainage system. Nairobi is the capital city of Kenya and brings together Kenyans from all tribes, races, and religions. As such, our city deserves a leadership that has demonstrated capacity to deliver beyond our tribal, racial, or political differences. And that is what my new administration embarks on today. Fellow Nairobians, you have had immense faith in me from the time you elected me as a member of parliament for Makadara, and later as your senator. I have never and will never take the confidence you have in me for granted. On many occasions, I have gone beyond the call of duty to serve, and there will be no exception going forward. It is therefore with deep humility that I take up the great responsibility you have bestowed upon me as your new governor. I have never made a promise that I never kept. And this day, I wish to give you my personal assurance: Nairobi will never be the same again from today. I shall work around the clock to guarantee efficient and timely services for all our residents. My new administration will put in place an elaborate plan to clean up the mess that has been left behind by the outgoing county government, while ensuring that every resident shall get value for their money as taxpayers. In my government, the garbage menace shall become history, as we have already demonstrated in the ongoing Operation Ngarisha Jiji. This auspicious day marks the end of the cartels that have held the people of Nairobi hostage for many years. Land grabbing and forceful evictions of our people without following due process will be a thing of the past. There shall be enough water for all residents. We shall build enough markets for our small-scale traders and review licenses to enhance ease of doing business. We shall support our youth, women, and persons living with disabilities to start and grow their businesses while creating employment opportunities. We shall seal all loopholes to suffocate the thieves who have been stealing our revenues. We shall build new and equip existing health facilities to guarantee our citizens of first-class health services. We shall make Nairobi the preferred destination for all local and foreign investors and tourists. Because we deserve the best, we shall become the best. Under my administration, Nairobi shall shine again as the face and gateway to Africa. I want to sincerely thank each and every one of you for your continued support and goodwill, and invite you to partner with me in restoring the lost glory of Nairobi, make it the green city in the sun again. As Nelson Mandela once said, it is better to lead from behind and to put others in front, especially when you celebrate victory, when nice things occur. You take the front like when there is danger or work. The people will appreciate your leadership. God bless you all. God bless Nairobi. God bless Kenya. Asanteni sana. Sasa tuendeni tuanze kazi. Mimi sitaki kuongea mengi kwa sababu rais kuna mahali anaenda. Sasa nitachukua hii nafasi kumkaribisha rais wetu mpendwa Mheshimiwa Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta.
Nairobi oye! Nairobi oye! Asanteni sana. Mimi leo sina mengi. Leo ni siku ya Nairobi, leo ni siku ya kusherehekea ushindi wa Nairobi. Leo ni siku ya kuona Mike Mbuvi Sonko akianza kazi ya kubadilisha Nairobi hii. Mimi na maneno mawili peke yake. Ya kwanza, kumshukuru gavana ambaye alikuweko, gavana Dr. Evans Kidero, kwa vile ameonesha ya kwamba yeye ni mtu ambaye anapenda taifa lake. Wamefanya campaign na amekubali ya kwamba Mike Mbuvi ameshinda na amemkabidhi uongozi kwa roho safi. Mimi nasema Mungu ambariki. Asante sana na tuwakutakia mema uko mbele. Ya pili, kumuhakikishia gavana wetu mpya Mike Sonko ya kwamba serikali ya kitaifa itafanya kazi pamoja na yeye kuhakikisha ya kwamba mipango ambayo wameweka ya kubadilisha mji huu, ya kuhakikisha vijana wetu wamepata kazi, ya kuhakikisha tumeleta usafi, maji, tumetengeneza sewage na drainage. Governor Sonko, ujue ya kwamba serikali yangu itafanya kazi hapa kwa hapa pamoja na wewe, tubadilishe mji huu wetu wa Nairobi. La mwisho ni kuendelea kuomba wa Kenya, haswa nyinyi wakaaji wa mji huu wetu mkuu wa Nairobi, tuendelee kupendana, tuendelee kuweka amani, tusikubali wachache watupiganishe kwa misingi ya kikabila. Nairobi hii ni ya jamii zote za taifa letu la Kenya. Nyinyi vijana, mjue ya kwamba jirani yako ndiye ndugu yako. Kabila lako halikusaidii. Jirani yako ndio usalama wako, ndio rafiki yako, ndio chumvi ambayo unaenda kuomba. Tunaelewana wenzangu? Tuweke amani na tusiruhusu wachache watuharibie amani na umoja ambaye wa Kenya wataka. Na sisi tuwasema tuendelee kuweka Mwenyezi Mungu mbele, tuamshukuru kwa yale yote ametutendea, na sina shaka atatutendea mengi mema huko mbele. Kwa hayo machache, Mungu na awabariki, Mungu awalinde. Heko Sonko, heko Nairobi, heko Kenya yetu. Mungu awabariki. Asanteni sana.
Haya, wapi nduru ya Uhuru na Ruto? Wapi nduru ya gavana mpya Sonko? Haya, kama mlivyoambiwa, rais anaelekea kwenye msiba.
Ni kuria kudogo gwitwa Uhuru Park. Haria Governor Sonko anegero mathaga ma kuruta wira na kinegero iria twitaga na githogo instruments of power, na tukona hau transition egi ukawega muno jamba ya wira ati ukineanwo maudu na mne undu turonete na Kiambu uria twahanire ati Kidero uria aria no gima muno nauga ati daretigira na daramaka gwita Sonko governor tondu ni etikitie niwe governor riu wa musio wa Nairobi.
Haria ni dorano na miario ya Sonko ni ati ukithikiria miario ya president ni ahe muno Kidero gitio ni undu wa kuneana power na no gima no nake muguya gaundu kuna gwocokeria no kinya agetiga arangiriria governor ni undu wa hoihoi ukuonaka ndako ndeuria atiriri he class ya gwika atia nao niturevonaga thikũ ciakire cia bururi ucio ni democracy irakura o muthenya no ni ndanyita kaundu kangi maiko ati the national government ni kurutithia wira
ati meguthie hamwe kwa haha
akiwendo na president toiga atiriri the national government ne ko incubate Nairobi kutakuwa ni atiriri the president maybe will be the super governor of Nairobi.
Tuambia tuthi kudogo gwetwo Laikipia na kwa tuigwe kuhana ate kuna mwandiki witwa wa mohoro gwetwo gathani wa Jehia ekuria kudogo gwetwo Laikipia na kuone gwetereirwo gukorwo ati gukene speaker wa kuduko nake mundu gwetwo
governor Derito Moreithi akorwo kinegero gitene urorare governor Joshua Irongo.
Gathani Roshine Rwega hihi ugitwire kuhana atia Laikipia na niki mwatokeria.
Nethengio muno mundu gwetwo Njenga mwina Derito Ihura mwiko studio na guku turi ni county ya Laikipia na guku ni kiharo kia Nanyuki Stadium kuria igongona ria kwihitithio kwa gavana uria urathurirwo Derito Moreithi hamwe na munini wake John Mwaniki regereirwo gukorwo rigitabanio ndagika yothe kuma riu na guku turi kiharo-ini giki kia Nanyuki Stadium andu matiganite ni mareketie gukinya ona ageni aria megukiregereirwo amwe aikari a guku county ya Laikipia ni mareketie gukinya na no marathie na mbere na kuingira na kiharo giki kiregereirwo ati muthenya wa umuthi andu 4,000 nio megukorwo magikinya igongona-ini riri nigetha magikire wira kwihitithio kwa gavana uria uragithurirwo Derito Moreithi na igongona riri kana Derito Moreithi hamwe na munini wake meregereirwo gukorwo makihitithio ni jaji oikaine ta Alfred Mabea no gukorwo gitabania igongona riri na gavana uria urakiehera Joshua Irongo hamwe na munini wake uria urakiri munini wake Gitonga Kabugi ona ni meregereirwo gukorwo magikinya nigetha makorwo makineana mathaga ma utongoria kuri gavana uria uragithurirwo Derito Moreithi na ngumenyithia ati Nderito Mureithi arathurirwo kana arahuranire giturwa giki kia gavana wa kaunti ya Laikipia eta muteti kiumbe na ni thutha wake gugikorwo akihotwo ni Joshua Irungu ithurano-ini cia wamurani cia kiama kia Jubilee. Hihi maundu maria Nderito Mureithi arakorirwo hihi akirira aikari aguku kaunti ya Laikipia tuona akorwo agithurwo mamwe ma maundu maria egukorwo akimekira ni hamwe na gutigirira ati mbeca cia kaunti kana mbeca cia muingi ni ciahuthirwo na njira iria yagiriire. Macio mangi ni maundu ta githomo kuria arakorirwo akirira aikari ati murutwo wothe urekaga kigeranio gia kirathi gia kanana ni aritigagirira ati ni athie na mbere na mathomo make na agakorwo agikinya kirathi gia form 4 na mamwe hihi mathina maria magikoretwo andu a Laikipia hihi makoretwo magitungana namo maita maingi ni maundu ta wici wa mahiu tondu aingi a ikari a kaunti no ya Laikipia makoragwo maria arithia mahiu maundu ta hihi kugio ni nyamu cia githaka nituonaga arimi kaingi kuma kaunti ino ya Laikipia magiteta ni undu wa hihi kuhithukirwo ni indo ta njogu na hihi maragithurire gavana mena mwihoko ati riu mathina macio ni megukorwo magikinya muthia na ihinda uria kuma riu mundu uria weregereirwo kwamba gukinya ni gavana uria urehera Joshua Irungu hamwe na munini wake Kafugi. Thutha ucio gavana uria urehitithio muthenya wa umuthi Nderito Mureithi hamwe na munini wake John Mwaniki makorwo magikinya. Oho abuge aria marathurirwo kuma icigo ciothe ithatu cia ubunge cia kaunti ya Laikipia nicio Laikipia East, Laikipia West na Laikipia North ona ni meregereirwo gukorwo magikinya hamwe na mubunge wa kaunti ino Kate wa Ruguru na MCA othe aria marathurirwo ni meregereirwo gukorwo magikinya igongona-ini riri niguo gukihumbariri na gwikira wira ati nima mutongoria uria urathurirwo ni muingi ni akorwo akihitithio nigetha ambiririe wira kuma guku kaunti ya Laikipia. Nyambe gucokia studio no tuguthie na mbere na tugikwiraga uria maundu marathie na mbere guku na Nyuki Stadium.
Ni gatho nyingi muno nitugukorwo tugicoka kuria Laikipia o gukianjiriria kwihitithio kwa gavana mweru jamba wira Nderito Mureithi na aria megukorwo riu twero magiuka ni uria urakire gavana Joshua Irungu uragioka mena munini wake Gitonga Kafugi ni undu wa gukineana mathaga mothamaki na muthe twina ageni twina wakiri J Mwiganjo ari mubunge wa kura o Njororok na uracokora rugama na kama na we mundu kiumbe na kura itina igana no weka undu ndona ta wake na muno riria Kidero igate riu reke njoke gwakwa riu ndio ukathio kana no grabio ni gucoka kwa mutumia wake riu ni mukene kwa jina achiri na ciana tondu mundu aheanaga kwi muingi biu mundu ahikagio ni muingi na ni wira muritu tondu no nginya uikare na aria makuhete wira ni ukombo no wite uguo wonekaga ni uheshimiwa na ni mwega tondu ni utungata no ningi ungirona na njira ingi andu aku ni makwagaga muno ciana ciaku nducionaga ndungicitwara thukuru ukaga utuko ukaroka guthie bara wija ya bururi bara we constituency wina wabici ithatu imwe Nairobi iria ingi Gicagi iria ingi riu yaku ni undu wa maundu maria wikaga koguo ona hena loss taruguo itari giti-ini ndina comfort yaku na ni hetu twakwa turathi wega muno thutha ici era mbungura njiraga ati weekend ngima arona ena 10,000 akona ari na kenda akarigwo how ungikorwo wina 50,000 thimu-ini ici ni na kiumia kimwe he mumbungeri na wanda tondu ikarago gicitumaga ni mathiko ni biro ya thibitari niki ni urihagira ciana ciene fees ciaku itari ndihire iyo ni tragedy ya utongoria wa Kenya. Koguo riria weherete giti-ini undu ingi no mone ni araguire no mwe no ri ungi kwanja ngikorwo we tundu twaku nduingirite ni undu wa mbeca he tundu tungi wikaga twa kawaida uiguaga tawaiga murigo wangu riu we no famu yaku riu famu yakwa riu ni ndirahota kumiattend wega actually clients amwe maumite riu famu yakwa riu ni manjitie kuhurira thimu amwe makinjira ati ndurekire wega ni kugwa mundu coka wira nigucokia wira tondu riu turakwagite mu riu nyina aciri ni mukenu mina aciri na ciana kwanja ciana ati ndirahota gwikana na ciana ciakwa weekend ni megathira tugathi nacio tugathi tuliva makanya riu na maranjuria that is when are you going
tondu mamenyerete njukaga ngithia koguo there is a sense in the loss ungimerora na njira njega ona maundu tani maria maingi nie ndekite makwa kiumbe ndekire ndi wakiri miaka 5 ya gukorwo ndi muheshimiwa
maundu makarwo
walia uira wa ma tiga njerete thi hakuhe yothe gutiri undu wakwa ingiuga ndiratindikire ndamogwira thi na mbere ikinya rimwe koguo ni wira uguo waigua Kidero akiuga it is true ni gukorwo wina mucii ungi ugatiga mucii waku koguo ni utungata mwega tono wa kwirutira no at the same time taruo na ria mekuo ni moi ndukanatige waku ndukaneheane atio
comfort ni gwaku mucii
na maundu maria wikaga we a private citizen taruo uguo mu ona gutiko na inyweru muri o celeb kivien no we private citizen it's much better than uri utongoria-ini tondu uri utongoria-ini tiga ni undu wa ngoro ya kwirutira tundu twaku bari uhoro wa ma ni turugamaga koguo utongoria urehaga self actualization niwe wiki
ni mubunge
niwe tu tondu ngone ta foreign travels uragithi wiki niwe kurwania na family
tondu nduririhiru family yaku
tondu kurwania na wathi ruraya uguthi ciumia igiri ringi ni winter uriumbaga mukawa thiete conference ugacoka mukawa thiete conference koguo what is the benefit weka shopping ugacoka mucii ugikinya mucii ni urendo constituency ukima constituency ni urendo bunge guthondeka mawatho koguo kaundu kau gotongoria ka benefit ga mundu kiumbe na andu aria uratungata
uri umwe tatwire tondu ndonire anake amwe makiaria ta marota thirathira ri mubunge urathurura ekore hobia cigana mugaru na inywe privileges cio weho nona murahanaga kuhana atia
ni less by cigana reke girimagana meri hihi tondu ndi kindu girimagana matandatu na ringi turakirihe kindu girimagana manana no ngirora mbeca icio kaingi ithiaga tondu na mubunge average kira indu kagia ni kindu kinini muno tondu menye ni kuheanagwo mortgage ya milioni 20
so milioni 20 ri ukumiriha in 5 years uritina
girimagana matano ulinda girimagana mana ma 80 nona ni
agituona ki
ndugagituona girimagana matatu na ringi wina ngari woya
no ruto igoti
ya milioni 7
iyo ni bunge yanyu hindi
iyo ni bunge 10
ino nayo ira
ino riu mbeca ni less iria riu urari
cigana riu
cara ni girimagana matandatu uguo
ona mahaririire kuharirira kamiti 10
tondu nginya mileage ni reheririo neyo andu mariagira muno tondu mileage wa batata riu nie kuma Nairobi guthi Njororoko ndiraheao kindu 70 per week nona na ndoraro kana urabata kandu reka atia urabata riu mileage yo ni reheririo irekirwo mucara-ini iraikwirizwa andũ arĩa mathiaga North Eastern nĩ mararĩhagwo nginya milioni mweri in terms of mileage na matirathi na bara
mathiaga Isiri
oya gatege agathiĩ kana ona Mombasa Taramu ũrarĩhwo ngiri 800 mweri no hona ndũrĩ hĩndĩ ũrahũthĩra ngari no hatirĩ na accountability koguo Sara Serem haha ũrĩ oka naguo njĩra ĩrĩa oka nayo nĩ oka rĩngĩ ku sanitize bunge na operations na system
koguo gĩtĩ gĩkĩ gĩtuĩka non attractive
gĩtĩ gĩkĩ wega wa
servanthood
no rĩu mbeca cigũkĩiywo mũno ici rĩu cia CDF na rĩu nĩ marakĩongeirwo nĩ milioni 100
agara 10 ngai
nĩ milioni 108 no icio na tũtingiuga kũiywo no mũndũ akorirwo mũici wa biũ
ukiya ni
ukoga ndugiya CDF tondu ni mukiya na fund manager na chairman waku wa CDF na mukuyate ni mutigithii gukibithindro mbeca mwiri
na niguo kwina aici toguaro
uria gwikite ri ni mariagira ningi ni contracts cia heano ringi mena makambuni mao kiumbe no marehe wi no marehe wi you know ukiugire uici wa njira iriku corruption ni ho hithe no kuyate kuya withdraw yere no nginya thito na turugero na aria thitetie ingi etiguo
no mari thito
ni uici muhithe tukwaje kuona na riu kurathi na mbere taru transition ino ni njaga muno ya governance tondu katiba ya Kenya ria mbere ni twahota kugia na transition from counties ni ciragia na magavana toguo wona
governor
agoka kehera na kaneana instruments of power after that agikoro EACC ni kokoro faithful to the nation na maundu maria marathiaga na mbere Senate ni magiro riu ni korora through mamenye niki kia handle over niki outstanding ni mbeca iriku irethererwo ikaga koguo ni twagirwo ni kuona hihi taru governors amwe aria marari na matters before the Senate
ora twina moha twina jenga
exactly
ukumagweta tha ici
riu ni kuona atiriri ni kuona gukendia gukinyirwo accountability na nikio riri gutiri kindu kia muingi ukaria kiage gukuma thutha
na ndaigua ta turenda ku discourage na maigwate tumemere kefyu tondu kuria gutire kindu
jongo icio tutigenda
jongo atene jongo yori no na calling ya leadership wiko wina calling ya leadership ni njaga nita gwitwo tuike mufea kana muhunjia ukunurwo ugedo kuhikania na timutumio tangenda ni ati ni call we wauga ati we uretana kurenda gutungata
mikerenyu
ta muthure Paulo ogone guthondeka mikerenyu memerekiai ati gukuhitha kuna gutire kindu rathi kuoya tondu angikorwo ni mbeca ri ni ona no uthukume no giembia
na waacire ni ukenagere gutwira horo ore wa
uguo niguo
uguo mbeũ njĩthĩ ndĩgecirie atĩ nĩ aumĩra
angikorwo ni urenda leadership
keguria atiriri na niĩ ngacoka thutha wakwa ngacoka ngeyũria atiriri turaikarire haha hingo yothe ya campaign turaikara na andũ marathiaga gwĩka campaign ũkaigua mũndũ arĩrĩte akauga atĩ ndahũthĩire mirioni 50 mũndũ no ahũthĩre mirioni 50 atoe kĩrĩa arathi gwĩka kũrĩa mbere
no atuĩke very disappointed nĩ ũkũhũthĩra tondu rĩngĩ muoroto waku kĩrĩa ũreciria nĩ ũgũthiĩ gũcokia mahĩa no rĩrĩa wakinya harĩa ndigũkũhitha no rĩngĩ ta kĩa mbunge
no atuĩke surprise wathiĩ mbunge
ndari na a lot of expectations first of all no kĩrĩa gĩatũmĩte na ninyende gũthiĩ mbunge nĩ ũndũ wa watho tondu wakiri koguo nĩ ndĩraenjoyaga mũno legislation kana gũthondeka kĩ mawatho na kũdebate. That was the parliament. And I enjoy foreign travels. Tondu ne damenya menyadi uri thiaga. No haha mikerenywa
hatire kire
na bia ndakwira wira wa Ngai ni uguthondeka nyingi ugika uri ureka. Koguo ugikorwo you are called for leadership only. Na andu aku ni mararia na makanyona wina njira ingi cia guthondeka bia ni ugukorwo wi mwega. Waiko wathi hale guthondeka mikerenywa ni uguikara oguo githe
aturere wakiri
yes
tena wakiri ndego jiru ndirakuria muthenya wa ira mwana mwanake wetagwo Ndindinyoro
Ndindinyoro
na drama kamuno tondu ndaiguite hananitie Raila Odinga na terrorist kuria inde akuhita kwa muthuri ti Mwangi wa Iria na wanaruga mona we ikaga kuigana kura
ndanaruga ma 2013
na no iguo ria nake wakiri auga
kura ikaga kuigana litarere ndiraringiririo ni ngoro ndugame ndaga kurugama
ngoro uramira horera
ndamira ngoro no nginya horere ni undu wa kindu gwitwo kaundu kaumwe cimwari ugoro wako ati ni mukorwo na disconnect murona na mucio waku na maundu maku na ciana na kana gakoneka ni nigete ni ndi riu
kana karoya moko na iguru gakirandika muge kuyo
turakiri ukathomithia the tenets of life
nikarakinyirie mwaka
egena miaka
3 ndego ni akorire
and more still coming riu ngatiga 3 au muno no igoro mwashimoga ati alipaga goti wa thirikari na kalipaga goti wa constituency ni undu mundu akena thina wa mathiko thina wa ngaragu thina wa school fees ici ni pesa ciake mwene araruta it's a wake up call kwa leadership yetu ya bururi wa Kenya tugire ku elevate the poverty level nigetha gwakorwo o mundu uria angia na kathina ka irio ga school fees ni arabota gwi sustain we mwene ndaroka thini wa mubuku wa mumbunge na tuthomithia andu aitu civic education ya te ira wathura mumbunge waku ti insurance policy wagia nayo ya gwaku mucii ati maundu maku mothe ni wari twaragira na leo wa muthuna leo wa mu support tigoti gwakinya tikabira gaku gakuruta wira waku we personally ni gakinya muthia uri depend kana mumbunge ucio athura tuthomithia andu aitu metikire atiriri abunge yani getha mbote gutwika watumishi ma mwananchi na getha mbote kugitira indo cia mwingi mutikametikira mena kiumubuko tondu nao no andu mena mabataro mao mena needs ciao no go for the last 5 years mweshimona kiriba kwa besi marariba kwa gutika undu gake we mwene ikirite ka development na sikwa kagweka ekite development ile ni wangoro cia andu idara tungataga na mici ya andu akabutia ngoro cia andu na njira ingi akagatia akeima no to county government ingitwika ati ni kurora ura elevate the poverty level ya andu no ikoritethetie andu muno no akiwa na gukora twerwa ntona
wona ate
transfer of power
kuma kore Kidero guthi kore Sonko wona ate
ni kaundu kega muno kauga gutwika ati ni arabe na transfer no ndo Kidero dangire system na guthi governor ngire system ugoro transfer of
wahoto ni wahoto
no kindu kire twagiro ni kumenya atiriri ati ithe ni tumete thini wa politics riu ni gwa kabururi turaka muthenya wa iturari na mundu gwitwa Mheshimiwa Mombingaru na mundu gwitwa Mheshimiwa wa Nyoro akundu gwitwa Kiharu na giko ikiga mukuru thayo twoni ora kuhayagwo na niturorire mundu gwitwa Mombingaru agituthomithia githomo kinene muno aratwira atiriri leo wathurwo no nginya menye watuika mutongoria wa bururi wa Kenya utige ici citagwa partisan politics umenyerero ni wa transit to another level hii ni wagia na ituika no bote kuma thini wa politics ya siasa tora tuona mundu gwitwa Polycarp Igathe wishi mweo no nitugwetera tuona injunction kana nigukugena embassy ya kama injunction again polish up na mundu gwitwa governor Sonko amenye ni atuika an executive amenye uri wekatiriri cartel sisi atwiroboro wacio na korogwo na andu makorogwo mamurumirire cia gwatuika cio nicio ikutuika riu cartel replace cartel
muingi cio wakabogo tuona hau auga mbure egwekate naguo
Sonko duru ya Sonko sijui nini ya Sonko iyo no nginya amenye
na cio tuona ina hau igo
ego transit no nginya amenye ore gwika Sonko
watau kuokira president na commitment ya the national government nekuta wira
tondu neuga ati tukuruta wira
haha kwa haha ninde uri gitumi kira kiratumire age kuthi swearing in ya mundu witwa itutona yo kwa muci athia Sonko diki kiratuma age kuthi swearing in ya kore witu Kirinyaga kana gutwona Laikipia okene Sonko you must tell a lot. In politics, things don't just happen; they are made to happen. Ati indino asiasa kama ndo meki kaka nikagutika kama meki kaka. Da mudo daro rabisha kino na triri. Nyauga Sonko, I'm the prefect. Ni prefect wa kuwe.
I'm the super governor.
Ni super governor. Na president no nyakoro aigete makinya make goko thini wa county ya Nairobi. Umenye president ni kumara uma. Ino ni tamu yake ya mudi ya muthenya riteka sworn in. Aikoro the Supreme Court
the Supreme Court now
elections aikoro Supreme Court ne kwa hold elections yake ino ne the last semester yake avia kan graduate atike rajata idwi na kirora county cia Nairobi ndakage kurora county ire cinge ta cia gwitu Kirinyaga na county cia bururi wothe tondu becire irauma thini irathi thini wa county icu irauma thini wa national government ndakage guturekereria ure raturekereirie ararekereirie meitu for the last 5 years iragia mbeca cia bururi
atirari holiday na taru andu no nginya
mamenye nje ni tumukoro mukeri maundu acio to like andu aitu mogia tiriri thirikari ingi aka kuthigwetia mbeca ici tungika teithwe ene as civil society as mwananchi and as wanjiko institution
kuna mundu rauga gutohwo governor erikana atatu kanana
undu wigi Nairobi ri niguririkana ona senator wa Kiambu gwetwa wa Matangi he bill proposite ati Nairobi ikorwo ndirarano ni governor irarano ni cabinet secretary appointed by the president tondu ni capital city ya Kenya koguo importance area Uhuru ara attach na Nairobi as a capital city. Any president will do that.
Nyorona te gucokia cabinet secretary wa metropolitan.
No, kuna possibility, a very high possibility. Todo agikoro yo that law was proposed. Not
ito gutongoria county ha kwa hahari. Itokinya ukoro na ofisa wake thino wa metropolitan.
Na irari na bata muno ne kiro de nginya politics ire kiro Nairobi irari cia kata na shoka. Todo gitikiu kina bata muno he thirikari ire ya iho. Todo gutigituika ati the capital city iratho ne opposition. Na nikirona tari ukirona relationship ya president na Dr. Evans Kidero. It's close.
Even very cordial.
Very cordial. Gito iko kinyoria remarks ili ameke.
Tondu ne ugithikiriria ri nyageria kuhitirira guku mundu wetwo Sonko auga ne meito yatigo irari guku ni mundu irari loko iraia
ndona mutinia agiuka kwaria na githwe ngoro wona president gukirokira tondu Sonko akugite ngomba guthoma na yakwa iria nyandikiirwo njokejeria na githweri gucie ni hindi oima amahure president akiokira ukaruma
na ndikane mwaba mwara body language area yuma hau wa mbere mundu gwito Mheshimiwa president ena ADC mwero ayeto Evans Boro Lieutenant Colonel Evans Boro
nikuma kwa jeshi
nikuma kwa jeshi tero jiro gucene athire guthoma ya bururi no macionto wekeria ma security muthenyoge but wona protocol ya rugo ati president agirirwe ni guka deputy president no agĩrĩirwo no gũka ete president no Sonko already actinia mĩario yake na gĩthũngũ president okira we mwenye
okaroga mathutha wake
kaundu kau ndo nyende mukarora na njira uririkane president ni Sonko muno na Sonko na digutigira gugo is a bit erratic in the manner yagwe kama udo Sonko na respect our protocol as such he could be a good leader not respect our protocol ugo giona president akirugama ugu aruge ni aramenya oyo ajia kuigiria githweri riu ha wabero na mathaa make ni makuriganira mamati kuma warathi
na kunureka nyongo
koru na escalate maundu koguo ri na ni gukubatara kaundu kangi ndona haha tondu ni turari uhoro wa Polycarp Igande no ria address yandu
onaka every disorganization
na tukari uhoro wa Sonko kwiciria leadership ni kwenda ginya message iro ra pass kuri andu tondu gutiri kindu gifata ta urio urariria andu wi mutongoria wa andu ni matekaga your words very seriously na ginya skills ya oratory skills no ora deliver your message
no ria kidero aria
it has to be polished na no ginya korwo wina substance aiko wina maundu maku mangi magukuania ri ni maugena na kuma hutini no riria ura address muingi no ginya udeliver your message no korwo itari na juhirira nyingi cia maundu maingi matuhuhu tondu andu aria me hau ri age ni biashara age mokire kuona ngabana uyu age mokire ni andu mena maundu maingi ko hatiri bata wa kurehe speech yaku umikire ni ndeto ingi nyingi cia juhirira kaba warie uri orauga udelive ukorwo we fine in your speech no rikie nigetha wohore andu mani maundu no riu kuina break dance hare uguo ni ora waste people's time
tajiratiriri
tondu ti entertainment
andu aria mekite science ya giciaca moigaga atiriri that hari anene akiama kana uguo wona ni atiriri ni akenaga magiconoka tondu uyu ni mundu mwe nao marerete
ni guconoka we wa ihura tondu ari
tondu mundu akina break dance riu na nyui
guconoka on behalf of mundu ungi ni guconoka on behalf of
ukaigwa ni ciene
tondu we expectation yaku ni atiriri wa elevate mundu na ni mwa wa mu support ura hekido ura expect kiume hari
kiria tari nakio
kiria kiaga riu no anyita koguo ugi support mundu mu supportaga ni undu wa maundu maria guka gwika ni undu wa uria wina witikio hari mundu uriku hari mundu ucio no uria ku deliver no ri wagikorwo we no wa elevate mundu no wa mu support wega acoke at the moment riria ura expect a crown glory ya kuna bado magena confidence na mundu ura supportaga akorwo ni hau riu arakorekeria ri ndugu ku athonicio ni kuna break dance kuru no ne ino riria andu mareka campaign not in inauguration na nigere no ginya korwo magnanimous in your win na nikyo Kenyans no ginya tuthome maiko atiriri atiwashindari tia guthirikia andu aria angi na bururi uyu ri wina njatukano tondu na sanira cindiru ni Jubilee no ni tondu Jubilee yacindari ni tungurikiria aria muno
kuregeka andu milioni 6
6.7
ni mangurikirie ni muridikuire munene wao ni mumuportrayire in social media mundu mucongi uhana nyamu
agiathimuraga hau
washinda na niguo ndona Sonko hau
nonire uria mundu ucio arathimuririo
washinda ri wahuna humberanda
onogota Nairobi ri ndigwiciria Sonko ni ahotete kidero na kura nyingi kweta kura hii ngiri igana kana ate akituge matirari
kwa hiyo muno ugishinda mundu cia gucinda ukimukinyiriria ungihura mundu wa gweri hati bata wa gutira ningi ukimurugaruga iguru
he kaundu kariri ati president hari aria marumagirira siasa ici matari na psychophants kana fanaticism ni tudaga disconnect ati ukona muthamaki Michael ena ufururi ena unity ena kushayanira no watu kuka orohani ugakora ningithigari ciake they are totally different
kwena kathina na kauniko disconnect ro rari boro kana president na andu aria thurire matirathi thabari imwe tondu ciugo ira president yararia ticio biraro yake nayo iraria tondu ndirathikirie muthenya wa bwai twira muthuri turari nake guku thiini wa kindu gitwa kirerembe ndamuthikirie ni ndiraigure ndari arauma thiini wa campaign trails irorire ciao matire maratigana na cia campaign we no arauga atiriri andu aria mathiete thiini wa igoti na samadite igoti ni makietha nusu mukate ndamuria for real we ni uthomete katiba gaka ga Kenya na korwo nduri wathoma ni ugakathoma na ndena njokirikani athomete kana ni agakathoma niki mara thĩinĩ wa Central Province kana thĩinĩ wa andũ arĩa maragia rũthiomi rũrũ na arĩa masapotaga kĩama kĩa Jubilee especially arĩa mathurĩtwo no nginya wonania mbica cia mũthuri ũcio gwĩtwo Raila Odinga akĩathimũka ũguo arathimũka thĩinĩ wa social media
athimũka kuo magegoma gwe
nginya wario mĩario mĩũru nĩgetha ũtuĩke a popularist thĩinĩ wa kĩrĩa gĩaku na ndĩramerithia atĩrĩrĩ andũ arĩa marathurirwo no nginya matuĩke very careful mamenyete thĩinĩ wa transitional politics atĩ Raila Odinga agakorwo factor 2022 Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta agakorwo ndagakorwo factor
rithathi no mwe atigarona
ana ithino rithathi mwe tigarite koguo rĩu mũndũ no nginya atuĩke his own soldier arugame we mwene tore Daudi arugamire akithi kuona ngori ya andu ndana arugama akiuga ati ndumite guku ni Sauro arugamire we mwene ndenda kureta mbica iriku ndenda kureta mbica ya independence ya andu aria marathurirwe we wirugami woneke ati we mundu credible we mundu mugima we mundu ungibokwa ni andu na ndwetirite na mundu ungi marikure gitu kirenya gatwari marigo irigo nirikaraga rigacura ringi cura nirikira wa support yake ya gituge tiga kuona ni ati riu tiga kuona ni riu we ni ko supportetwe ni mundu ungi ati ndugibata kwirugamia we
no kone guke hando rake handi
obana irigo riu rirenda kugora ingi aga support
ko kurugamia rake rugamia
atiriri ni ngoda turore maundu maya twina muhaha county nyingi yacio korwo rucikineano daisi zilani ano Nairobi ona tukiugaga no igwa Sonko ne ugakwe cartels yikuo gwikudogo gwetwo Nyeri gwikudogo gwetwo Laikipia no turio hau Muranga nayo drive wa kwena githina kinene muno na gikorwo gutiri na governor mweru
Kirinyaga gataragwetwo
na kio Kirinyaga
milioni 17
mu ate milioni 17
ate ciakire mochari at a cost of 17 million. The cost was initially 4 million.
Tondu horo ndu munene turenda kurania atiriri mwita mawakiri hihi kwe mundu tukuona kioho ni undu wa horo uyu tukorania atiriri mathiri maya maratigirwo ni amarari thuthari meguka kuoyo ni uyu wokai kana uyu wa uma no nginya akuwe responsibility yake niciuria ndito tukorwo tukiurania tuikiria tucoka kaida gatari kunene